Ever feel like you're stuck with outdated systems and there's absolutely no way to change them?
Oh yeah, definitely. Especially when it comes to like financial records and old software.
Yeah, exactly. It's like you hit a wall and you just can't get through.
Uh-huh.
Well, that's what we're diving into today, how to update fixed asset classes in a retired software version.
Sounds tricky.
It is. But thankfully, we've got Kirti Goswami with us. She's an associate functional consultant at Tiana Solutions, and she's figured out a way around this.
Oh, wow. So she's like the expert we need.
Pretty much. She's got over 6 years of experience with ERP systems,
Hmm.
Acumatica in particular, and she's solved over 240 different scenarios.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah, she really knows her stuff.
So what's the catch with these retired versions? I mean, why is it so hard to update them?
Well, the problem is that after a certain point, Acumatica isn't really designed to let you change things.
Makes sense. They want you to upgrade, right?
Exactly. But Kirti's solution is really clever. It's like a workaround, using specific steps and really carefully adjusting these things called system parameters.
System parameters. What are those?
Think of them like the behind-the-scenes settings that control how the software works.
Ah, okay. Got it.
And the cool thing is, Kirti's solution uses these system parameters to temporarily change an asset class ID so she can update the info and then switch the ID back to the original.
So it's like a temporary override almost.
Yeah, exactly. And what's really interesting is that it's not just about knowing what settings to change, but also the order they need to be changed in.
Oh, so there's a specific sequence.
Yeah, just right. And that's where Kirti's deep knowledge really comes in.
It's like one wrong move and the whole system could go haywire.
Exactly. It's a delicate process, but it shows that even systems that seem super rigid can have some flexibility if you know where to look.
That's a great takeaway for our listeners, I think.
Definitely. Even when a problem seems impossible, there might be a creative solution out there.
And sometimes you need an expert to help you find it.
Absolutely. Someone like Kirti and companies like Tiana Solutions, they're invaluable for tackling these complex situations.
Couldn't agree more.
So if you're struggling with your own ERP system challenges, don't forget about Tiana Solutions.
You're the go-to people.
Yep. Give them a call at 678-910-2774. They can help streamline your processes, fix those support tickets that are driving you crazy, and even support your on-site consultants. And until next time, keep those systems running smoothly.